Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to do this very easy warm brown smoky eye makeup, and I have used the Million Nude Faces by Essence. This palette, I have mentioned it again and again how much I like it, but I don't have so many makeup looks and I decided to use it for this one. It is very easy. I have used only 3 eyeshadows. I also have a review of this palette. I will link it down below. Today's shout out goes to a lovely subscriber, Marie, and I think you guys believe in me more than I do in myself, and thank you so much for your support. You are so sweet. Thank you. Without further ado, let's get started with this eye makeup and you will see how easy it is. First of all, I will start with a brown eye pencil by Mac. This is in Stubber Brown, and I will line my lashes because we will do a very dark brown smoky eye look, and I want my lashes to be very dark and I don't want to have any visible skin that it's not brown. You don't have to be very precise because we will blend it and we will also apply more eyeshadows on top of it. After that, I will just blend it with my finger. Next step, I will take a new eyeshadow brush by Essence. This is a new design that they have. And I will take the light champagne color and I will apply it for my brow bone highlighter. This eyeshadow is very pigmented and intense, so you need just a very small amount of product and then blend it very well. This is one of my most favorite eyeshadows for brow bone highlighter, and I'm very happy that I have it in this palette. And next, let's continue with our crease colors. I will take a Zoeva Look Soft Crease, the 221 brush. And I will take this warm brown eyeshadow and I will apply it into my crease, and also I will blend it towards my brow bone and a little bit outwards. This eyeshadow gives a very nice warmth into our crease, and also it is blended so easy. Next step, I will take another eyeshadow brush by Essence and I will take the dark brown eyeshadow and I will apply it all over my eyelid and just press it because it is a very dark brown eyeshadow, and try with dabbing motions to apply the color so that you don't have any fallouts. And with whatever is left on your brush, just blend it into your crease. And I am starting at the center of my eye, and with dabbing motions I try to pack the color. Now I look very crazy, but don't worry, we will blend everything. So with our blending brush, the 221 by Zoeva that we used before, I will just blend whatever I have into my crease. After that, I will take another brush by Zoeva. This is the 225 Luxe Eye Blender. And I will take the warm brown eyeshadow and I will apply it into my outer crease. Afterwards, I will take the dark brown eyeshadow with an eyebrow brush by Essence and I will apply it on my lower lash line. And I also like to connect it with my crease. And after that, I will clean my brush on a tissue and I will take again the warm brown eyeshadow and I will blend my lower lash line. After that, I will take a pencil brush by Morphe and I will take the light champagne color and I will apply it into my inner corner. To make this whole eye look a little bit more darker, I will use a black eye pencil and I will use the Everlasting Kajal by Kiko Milano, and this is in the color Matita Oki. This is number 1, and I will apply it into my waterline and I will also tightline my eyes. This is the first time that I use this eye pencil. That's a very intense black eye pencil and very creamy. We'll try to tightline, you know. Oh my god, I'm the worst with tight lining. That's a very intense black creamy eye pencil. I hope that it will stay in my waterline and it will not smudge everywhere. For mascara, I will use the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. This is how my lashes look with mascara and no mascara. For my lips, I want to do something more natural and less intense, so I will use the Hishine gloss by Marc Jacobs in the color Skin Deep Enamored. Oh my god, this is so glossy. I love it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to test any other affordable eyeshadow palettes. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Let me know in the comments below if you want me to test something. I don't remember what. Palettes! Palettes!